Hi guys, many people think filter is just a simple replacement part, but choosing the wrong filter can actually shorten the life of your vacuum motor. And we all know third-party accessories for robot vacuums on the market are much cheaper than original ones, and there are many types available. So how should we choose good quality accessories when the cost is similar? The first thing you need to check is the seal. A high-quality filter must have the proper rubber or silicone gasket around the edges. This seal ensures that all incoming air passes through the filter media, not around it. Some low-quality third-party filters skip this step entirely. Without a tight seal, dust can leak into the motor chamber. Over time, that fine dust buildup can reduce suction power, overheat the motor, and even cause permanent damage. When checking product images, zooming on the edges, you want to say thick sponge strips or well-fitted silicone sealing rings, a sturdy plastic frame that holds everything tightly in place. If the product only shows thin filter paper inside a loose plastic frame, that's a red flag. Also pay attention to the piece of the filter. They should be evenly spaced and dense. Uneven folding usually means inconstant airflow and reduced filtration efficiency. Ideally, this filter should be washable and reusable. A good filter doesn't just trap dust, it protects your motor and maintains suction performance. So don't just look at the similar price, look at the sealing structure and build quality.
Search techTongBo to get accessory details.